Hello everyone, so over here today is this Hunter Torrence ceiling fan. I got the ceiling fan from the Habitat scrap pile, and in the canopy was listed at $125. So they got a free fan, and must have been sitting out there for a while for $125. I don't know anyone who would pay for this fan $125. But yeah, it came with a mounting bracket with everything you see. It didn't come with blades. I'm going to order some blades. It was like a big 64-inch fan and did not have any blades. This globe right here is busted, but I'll either get a new set of globes or get a replacement. These ones are kind of nicked up, though. It might need to be replaced. These bulbs are original, but yeah. Here's the light. There was some water damage, as you can see. But, yeah. Buy the parts I need for this fan, fixed up to sell. But, yeah. Probably had all the parts eventually, but, since it got scrapped, they just threw away a lot of it. Oh yeah, fun fact about this fan. It's 4 speeds. Has 4 speeds. So, yeah. It's a nice fan. It's pretty new. I think it's from, I don't know. It's either from 2021 or 2015. You guys can identify that because I'm not good with my Hunters. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.